Welcome back to feralart, or welcome to feralart. How you doing? Mm. On Wednesday, I showed you a cloud pour that I did on a 24-inch round, and I wasn't very happy with it, so I decided to embellish it. And today, I'm going to show you how I did that. Are you excited? Let's go see! Okay, so I did this cloud pour on this 24-inch round, and I am not pleased with it. Not even a little bit. So, I'm going to embellish it using this big old wooden leaf cutout. We're going to see what we get.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the sun. Just yet, I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Inseparable, we were closer than two of a kind. The bond was almost palpable, solemn oaths with our blood that were signed. But time always goes, and we were both led by life to
we have leaves. I did this blacking out all over, 2 coats, and I just didn't feel like you needed to watch the whole thing because it does take a long time. I used the world's blackest black, and it's not as opaque as you would think, but after 2 coats it looked pretty good. So I'll leave you with some music and then we'll get to the dried results. Okay? Okay.
When the morning's standing at your door, brighter than all mornings come before. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. When the day is longer than the night, the road ahead is clear and in the light. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. Don't be late.
Here is the dried result of my cloud pour on the 24-inch round. I wasn't very happy with the composition of the whole painting, so I decided to embellish it, and here we go. I still need to, I don't know, might need to do another coat of black. Definitely need to seal it, but anyway, here we go. We've got our lovely colors and our lovely shapes from our wooden shapes that I drew, made a line around and then painted. Sorry, words are hard today. But I really like this much better than the original whole painting. Just wasn't very fond of it at all. So I decided I would do a little fall look. So if you would, please make sure your subscribe button is poked and hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. And for you that already do that, thanks a bunch. Sure do appreciate it. So I will see you guys next time. Have a lovely week.